If you think making a cool intro video requires you to know After Effects or DaVinci or motion graphics, then let me tell you in next few minutes how to make a simple, cool intro video for any of your vlogs using Clipchamp, a simple browser-based solution created by Microsoft itself, and it will help you do wonders. So we'll be trying to recreate a simple video on Microsoft Clipchamp. As the name suggests, it's a software backed up by Microsoft, totally completely free to use. Even it can be done on website, but for now I'll be doing it on the app that I have already downloaded. And let me go back here. This is how the app looks like. If you log into the website, this will be a similar thing. And one of the best thing about Clipchamp is it never bullies your processor. Like, you can do decent video editing in HD with a normal processor that you already have. So let's get down to the business. This is the video intro that I'm trying to show it to you that we will be creating. Yeah. So this is the exact video that we'll be trying to recreate using Clipchamp, and we'll not be doing it from scratch. We'll take help of a template. So it is simple and easy for you to follow. And what I can suggest is take the help of templates in earlier time. Don't do it from scratch. AI is already there to help you with a lot of things, right? So yeah, let's go down to here. I'll just walk you through a little bit. You can see there are texts here, there are music, there are lots of different things to explore, but for now we'll go down to templates. And in templates you can see there is an intro and outro template. This is something similar to what we have created. You can go ahead, if you like something else, you can pick that up. This one looks very cool, and we just want to tweak it a little bit so that it becomes more helpful for us. Just click on plus and it will be added to your timeline. You can go to your media now. You can see it is being imported and it is completely imported now. We'll just delete the soundtrack. We don't need this thing. We don't need these things. I will not be making use of blank. Let's just delete this. Group is also something we don't need. We don't need hearts. दिल की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. दिमाग से काम लेना चाहिए. Chef hat is something not needed here. We are chasing the sunsets here. And okay, this is a fine thing. We'll take use of it. And as I said, we'll just playing around with videos only, so we don't need any blank templates. Okay, we are good to go here. So let's just import the video that we want. So I have 3 stock videos already downloaded, which we'll be using to recreate what we want. Let's just delete. I'll just put this video on this one, replace it. Don't select all. It's a 7-second long video. Let me just scratch it. I think I just replaced it, so it got this. Now you delete it and add the second video in a middle frame. You can see the pluses here. It will be added in between. Let's just keep it somewhere here. And the third one, just delete it. This one and this one was the other one. Yep. So 3 layers of video we have. We'll be overlaying the video. If we see how this one currently looks like. Okay, there is some issue. We wanted it to be entire screen. Yep. Yeah. So we are just seeing 3 videos popping up, and we had a vision of making 3 blinds kind of thing. So let's just go ahead and do that. Yes, this one is the video that we want on our left hand side. So let's just trim it like this much. This looks cool. Click check here. And then this one I want the sunset to be visible from the right side. We'll just drag it till here, and then we'll click on crop. Okay, just align it. Yeah, it's aligned. I will crop it to make a third look, a third transition kind of a look. थोड़ा सा और crop कर दिया जाए इसे. This looks good. This one थोड़ा सा और इधर कर देते हैं. This one looks decent. We don't have a ruler or kind of thing, which is there in different software. It's a very basic software. So yeah. Now coming back to this, let's just try to play our video. One by one things are popping, everything is going good. Caramel's Kitchen. Now if I have to tell you something about font choices, like font choices matter a lot when you are making an intro video or an outro video, or even in any case. Like if your font choice is ugly, then it will not bring out the emotions on you. So this Caramel's Kitchen is not looking at all to me as a something like a heading font. So our heading was chasing sunsets, because we are chasing sunsets here. And for this one, I'll just use Erica. Like it has to be something bold. Bold looks good. Let's increase the size. Yes, this looks good. And now for the magic to happen. Like this still is taking away the essence of the sunset and just throwing away a bombarding chasing sunset on the face kind of look. So we'll just select the font here, go to adjust color. This is something I discovered after almost a month of using Clipchamp, because I didn't solid tutorial. Just go to the blend mode and use overlay. You see how cool this looks, how the entire text is blending into the image and giving the depth there, right? Now let's just see chasing sunsets. We can add a transition, but I think popping up of one by one it's looking fine. And if we have to add a transition, we'll have to add a background image, something blacks like that, and it will take away the essence of different images popping up. If you want, you can overlay one more video that can go over here in the middle. It will look even more cooler. I don't want to do that. That's just a suggestion for you to try. So we are here, chasing sunsets is back. Then there is a Sunday lunch, and no, Sunday lunch was not in our intro. This is chasing sunset. We are doing from east to west. And if I have to say like that, this particular animation, so you see there is just one animation in this entire image, and which is also something copy pasted from here, from something stock animation we are using. So what I can tell about animation is you cannot do a lot of animation in this Clipchamp. It doesn't support these kind of things, so you will have to import these kind of animated 2-second circular shape animation graphics from other places. So one thing about animation that I have learned so far is that animation is something, if you throw it a lot, it just becomes a noise. So clean animation, just elevate the graphic. So one animation is totally fine. What we want to do here, we'll just go ahead, adjust the color, and we'll probably again overlay it. Yes, this is looking even cooler. You see, east to west. And probably I think at 7:49 our video is ending. We can probably extend it to here. I think this one is right, and this 7 second we would like to cut. So lastly, like trim the excess parts. Like a good and cool intro is always 7 seconds long. Nothing more than 7 seconds feel like an intro. So you can click here, click on the split part, we'll split it. S key is used to split. I'll just click S here, and I'll delete all these things. We have our entire video ready. You see, as simple as that. That's simply how you just make a intro. And now for the last part is the sound or background music or whatever you call it. It is the soul of a video. Like if your video has good sound, you have a good taste in picking up background music, punching in swoosh, like we can add a swoosh sound over here, but since it's an intro, I generally like to go with the background music. So let me just add background music. I have some music download in 2025. I sometimes keep name if I can remember. Yep. And as we go, let me just zoom out a little. So just cut it out and delete the excess. And we are done. That's a 7-second intro that I just made using a template, just because you can make the same thing using from scratch. I took help of template because it just was more easier for me to explain it to you all. If I would have picked up all these things, I would have to explain a lot of different things. I hope you like it, and I hope you can try recording a similar thing. Once everything is done, just click on the export button and choose 1080p. That's it. No render, no drama, nothing. Fast and simple. Ha ha ha. If you're just starting out on video editing, then Clipchamp is the perfect software to do that. Because I think if you don't know anything about video editing and you don't want to enter the battle of keyframes, then it's good to start with something which doesn't even have keyframes. Yeah, that's a drawback also, but it makes it easier for beginners. Because one thing I can tell you about video creation, if you are coming to 9:16 to 16:9, that it is not about the software, it is not about the tools that creators use, it's about the clarity, what clarity you bring to the table. So yeah, if this video helped in any sort of way, I just used a simple template to help you create a intro video, then just go ahead, create more, overthink less, drop a comment, maybe hit the subscribe button. Until next time.